but he has his horse operation here. His name is Will Parrish, and he is a close personal friend of our former president of the U.S. He was appointed ambassador to England. When he was there, he got to know Queen Elizabeth really well. Queen Elizabeth has mares in Kentucky, or actually around Lexington, and has had for many years. And now her mares are all here at this farm.
Lane's End.
And when she comes to Kentucky, she stays here at this farm. Queen Elizabeth does.
The Queen.
Queen stays here.
Oh. That's a big barn. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's some horses out there. MJ will bet on that horse. Horses on the left? Oh, there's the horses on the left. A lot of horses there. Same farm?
No, different farm.
This is different.
Cool.
Stonewall Farm. Stonewall, SF. Any famous ones at Stonewall? Bankrupt. Nice farm though. Was it good? They had some. Was it a good farm? It's a beautiful farm.
Oh, beautiful farm.
Was that stone wall there?
Yes, it's still it down here.
I mean, this is back in the.
Oh yes.
Built in the.
There, yes.
Yeah. Original.
Yes.
Again.
And they total over 6,000 acres.
Wow. Maktoum, he brings in. Is he the one that brings in camel milk?
Yes.
Oh, tell him about that camel milk.
I'm not sure what you're talking about.
Oh, they said one of the Maktoum, he flies in camel milk to the airport like daily or weekly or something.